buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause the grind through the climb, I ain't like pain. And never getting bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredients to believe. There's a seed for the negativity, but I just gotta right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never ran, still no man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that can change. You can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst I say and turn them to a
Yo,
Hey, what's up, man?
what's up, bro?
Doing good?
Everything good, bro?
Look like GJ moved a lot.
I know, dude. I saw.
Yeah,
Holy,
I was kind of like expecting this a little bit to do this. Like, I didn't think I was gonna just keep going up. Maybe I was
shit.
gonna look for more, but right now it seems like we are in this like support. So let's see what we start creating here. Or if we break from here, we might um we might keep going down. Right now, price is showing us that we came down, did a little pullback. Now candles are starting to close bearish. So it should keep going down, but let's see, because we are here in this zone. So let's see. Like once we break out of this zone, I think we're gonna keep going down.
Yeah.
But we will see. We'll see.
New month or something? Is that why it's moving? Is that why it moves so much? You think? I can't hear you, bro.
Yeah. So it just candles creating new ranges.
Oh, there you go.
Um. For me, I am anticipating that we are gonna keep going up, just because of how the previous monthly candle finished and things like that. But I don't know how long we are gonna play like on this, on this range here.
Right, I got you.
Like I don't know how long we're gonna play around here, and then potentially then keep going up later on. But it's a whole month, so in a month, a lot of things can happen. But it's interesting to see every month, what plays out. That's why you kind of have to like anticipate before, like, oh, okay, so then if you were right, like you you already knew. Looks like we are having a lot of trouble here.
Yeah.
I was kind of looking for sales, but it's like having a lot of trouble. I don't know if it's gonna. hopefully we can keep this momentum from London, you know,
Yeah.
and get some nice moves for today. It doesn't range or anything like that, so hopefully.
Yeah. No, maybe we get the same thing from Friday, bro. You know, no consolidation.
Maybe. Right now, since it's like almost 8 p.m., it's probably just setting up, creating a range and things like that, setting up, and then maybe like a 9 or something, we have a move. Or we're gonna have the direction that we're gonna head it to today, you know, we're gonna know the direction. So this is good. Sometimes it's good that the market slows down, so just so that we could like regroup and be like, okay, where are we heading now, you know? You don't want candles to just go straight down, because it's like, it's gonna make it harder for you, you know? You wanted to do this, you wanted to like range a little bit, make you think, make you like, okay, so we are gonna do this, and now we are gonna do this, you know? Okay, so right now, let's see, because once we start leaving this little woods here, and maybe head into here and break this, I'm pretty sure we're gonna go down. I'm gonna look for sells. If that happens, I'm gonna start looking for sells to either go here first. That would be my first target, or continue, to be honest, because I think it will continue because of this, how much pressure there is right now for sellers. But let's see, we have to leave this thing. It's having a lot of trouble here. Yo.
Yo.
Today I had those days that I woke up like disoriented, like of like, damn, what am I doing? Like, why am I waking up?
Shit, you woke up tired or?
I don't know if it's tired, just I guess because it was like a long weekend, you know.
Yeah.
Like
Confused.
of doing something every day, and then sleeping till late. So it's like now, you know.
I feel you, bro.
But I gotta get back to reality. Man, I want it to go down, bro, but it's being annoying with this, bro. It's being hella annoying. Like it should have just already, bro. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna enter the cells.
Well, see a lot of value right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna enter the cells and expecting it to go 163, maybe first TP. Let's see what it does here. Let's see what it does here. If we just break through it, that'd be awesome. Let's see what it does in this level. Come on, man, don't be like that today. Come on, just break through that. Give me that same energy you gave London Session. Come on, give me that same energy. Give me that same energy.
Wants to break, bro.
It does. It's just you gotta talk to her nice, you know. You gotta tell her, hey, come on, don't be like that. You know, I'm gonna take you out to dinner today. Okay, okay, okay. I'm gonna shut the phone. I'm gonna shut up because damn, bro. I mean, it should continue. Because now if you see the 30 minute, now we're breaking below that, so, but we'll see, it should continue. Okay, 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 sir. Thank you for that. Okay, yes, good job. Good job, sir. You know, we have a real relationship, you know. Sometimes we fight and things like that, but sometimes, you know, gives me nice rewards and things like that, you know.
Yeah, and then you make up and shit.
Yeah, you know, like sometimes she's nice, you know. Sometimes she's nice. Oh wait, I feel like if I put it, I'm gonna jinx it. I did say I entered, so I did say I entered. So where is it that I entered? I entered right.
You didn't enter?
No, I did enter. Yeah, did enter right here. guys. I was muted. I'm sorry. Okay, so um, I did take profit once we start getting to this zone here. Because my whole thought about that, since I told you guys, is that the hour still hadn't made any top wicks, and usually I don't like when that happens. We did have some sellers pressure in the market, did an impulsive move down, but I was expecting that some way during this time we were gonna pull back to create that top wick, to create that liquidity grab that we haven't made yet, and that's why I closed everything at 21 pips, close everything, just because I'm expecting for that to happen, and maybe I can look for other re-entries. But either way, I did put money in my pocket already. I secured some profits, and if I want to enter later on, I could leverage those profits that I just made today. So that's something you have to remember too. Like, always take profit, okay? Like, take profit. Like, if you reach a good amount and you're comfortable with it, and you feel like there might be some sort of reactions or something like that, try to take profit so that you don't get caught up on like the pullbacks, and you don't get caught up on like candles going to your re-entry and things like that. I mean, right now it looks like it's gonna keep going though. But yeah, I made the decision just because I don't like that. I don't like that because previously in the past, I always see that this comes back. But I let it ride a little bit more and got a nice 22 pip trade. Yo, Sanders.
Yo.
Were you able to get like open an account and stuff like that? Like,
Wait, what?
have you opened an account, like a demo account and things like that? Or no?
Yeah, I already have a demo. Yeah, I have a demo account already.
Have you started trading there?
No, not
Not
yet.
Really? Okay.
No.
I want you to start doing that. Not today, whatever is fine, or maybe later on, but like start practicing that, okay? I wanted to start like getting comfortable with that, okay?
Okay, for sure.
Like, and don't even think about if it's a demo account. Like, you just, like, treat it like if it was real, you know? Just try to do it.
Okay. Like, what size do you think?
Just get 100,000. Put 100,000 on.
100,000?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay. You still in, right?
What?
You still in?
I close everything at 21 pips.
Okay.
Because I don't like that hour not making a top wick, you know? For me, that's so, like, I don't know, it's just, I don't like it. It's weird. Like, I wanted it to go down, make the top wick. So my whole thinking about this is that we're probably gonna go back to create the top wick and then maybe keep going down. So maybe I could look for another re-entry and maybe leverage those profits that I just made here too, you know?
Gotcha.
So, but I just wanted to secure some like money in my pockets and make good, you know?
Right. Yo, bro, what lot size do you always use the same lot size, or does it depend on your stop?
Honestly, I don't try to. Before, like, I don't need more than what I like. You get me? Like, sometimes a lot of thing with lot sizes, I feel like it has to do a lot with confidence. Like, I see a lot of people like always changing their lot size, like putting bigger lot size because they want to make more money and things like that. And honestly, like, sometimes that's because you don't have confidence. Because if you want to make money quicker with bigger lot size, I mean, it depends. But the people that are beginning to trade, you get me? People that have been trading for a long time, it's usually because they want to like get in and get out like quick and get to the target quick and make money, a lot of money. But if you're good at analyzing and you're expecting moves, you can use the same stop loss and you can make as much money as you want. So for me, I always use the same stop loss. I don't try to mess around with it so much. Maybe if there's a day that I'm like 100% sure what we're gonna do, maybe I'll pop in like a 20 lot. And
Okay. But what do you normally use though?
I use 10 lot.
10 lot.
Yes.
And your stop loss, how many pips do you have, or you don't use a stop loss?
I don't use a stop loss.
You don't
I
use
mean,
it?
that was at the beginning when I started learning how to trade and things like that. Oh yeah, put a stop loss and. But now it's like I know where the price is at. Like I just, I could close it if I want to and stuff like that.
Okay.
Sometimes I'm confident about a trade, and it's not playing out at the beginning. So maybe I'm like 15 pips in drawdown.
Right.
And it's not because it's not gonna play out. It's just that it's just price action, you know. And in a sense, I moved out away from those stop loss things because it would lose me a lot of trades because I will limit myself. Like I will start closing trades like 5, 6, 7 pips, 10 pips, and things like that. So like that shows no confidence. You don't have confidence in the trade you just entered. You know, you have to let that trade breathe. Okay, when we start getting to like 20 pips, or when we start like, it depends. Like if the trade looks bad, then okay, you can start getting out. But if it still looks good, but we're just having some price action, like then be confident with it, you know. Obviously not lose your account, but like let it breathe a little bit. If it gets too bad, then okay, start closing and start managing. But that's not gonna happen all the time. Usually that is like you're gonna be able to close and manage your trade. Like, and if you enter a trade, if you enter a trade, it's because it's gonna do something you want, you know. Okay, guys. So by the way, we did reach our target. So we did reach our target. So I gotta give it to you guys. I gotta give this. Wait, what am I doing? Here we go. There you go. We gotta celebrate when we do things. But I mean, I do expect it's gonna continue though. I just didn't think it was gonna like not make a top week. I hate when that happens though. When that happens, it gives me so much like uncertainty of like, oh yeah, we're gonna keep going down. Like I hate that, bro. Like I hate when it does that. And it's probably gonna continue. Damn. GJ.
Damn, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna continue, bro.
Holy shit.
Just because of that, just because of the little thing. If not, I would have still been in the trade. Trust me, I would have still been in the trade. I just don't trust it. It's just something in me. It's like, nah, nah.
So you just close trades based on what it's doing, right?
Yeah, before I used to like let's say have a goal of like, oh, once I get to 10 pips, I'm gonna close percentages, you know. But now I don't do that. Now it's like, okay, where can we go to? How much can we go? And then by doing that, then I start seeing candles and how they're reacting, how they're moving, and things like that. I'm looking at zones. I'm looking at this, and I'm not even putting myself targets. Like I'm putting myself targets, but I'm not putting myself limits of pips. Like I'm looking at the charts and I'm gonna say, okay, we can reach up to here. I don't care how many pips it is. That's where I think we could reach. And then,
Yeah.
I feel like if you limit yourself for pips, you're gonna sell your short. You're gonna sell yourself short, and you're gonna you're not gonna get out of the market what you want, you know. Because at the beginning, that's how I learned. At the beginning, I learned, like, close 10 pips, blah blah. But later on, I started getting more confident with my trades because, again, that's confidence. You know, if you're gonna expect something, it's because it's gonna do it like that. So you gotta be confident with that analysis and go with it.
Yeah.
Damn, GJ. Damn. I thought I was gonna give another re-entry. That's why I got out, because I thought I was like, it's gonna go back. It's gonna go back, make a top wick. Boom, I re-enter it, and it's gonna continue. But there's a lot of seller's pressure right now. A lot.
Yeah.
A lot of seller's pressure. We might go revisit this zone here, or not lie, even more. I don't know what's going on, but I feel like, I mean, this could happen too, right? This could happen too, that this monthly could potentially go even to 160. We can go to 160. Yeah, we can go to 160. Maybe, I mean, that's a long way to go there, but I don't know. We'll see. Okay, new 50-minute just open. Oh, okay, this is interesting. Man, why are candles closing so weird right now, bro? Look at this stuff. Look at this. 15-minute op went down without a top wick and closed without a bottom wick.
Oh wow, yeah. Holy
What
shit.
the hell? What is it doing, man? I don't know. Maybe this is where we come back to make that top wick. That is weird. Well, that's not weird. I've seen it before. It's not weird to me. I've seen it millions of times. Hey, yo, Sanders, I want you to watch this level, okay? See what we do here.
Okay.
Well, never mind. Never mind, this is gonna keep going.
It's been broken.
Oh, man.
Wow, bro.
Is it even gonna give us another chance to get in? Jesus, man. Like, let me get in again.
Now, how many pips is this drop?
It's dropped already like almost 50 pips.
Yeah. It's about 50 pips, yeah. Almost 60.
This is the thing with this, right? When I don't see like any wicks, like it closed without a wick, it's the same thing. It's like, it's problematic. I don't know. Maybe we keep going down, but it's problematic. Like, I don't know if we're gonna start creating some sort of support here, but I don't think so.
Sheesh.
Damn, bro.
That's wild, bro.
I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I am because it's just going down. But I don't know. I feel like there's gonna be some problems here for it to continue. And I'm probably wrong. I just have a feeling.
I'm probably wrong.
Yeah, I don't wanna. You know, it's just a little feeling I have.
Yeah. Shit.
I gotta protect myself, you know. Yeah, I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Never mind.
Shit.
Damn, man. I wanted to come back so bad, just because I want to enter again, and I don't want to enter on the lows, obviously. Remember?
Right.
Remember our rule. Bye.
Yeah.
So I'm suffering right now. I shouldn't have closed, but I mean, I made a decision just based on something that I've seen before. But
Yeah.
I guess today is not one of those days that. Damn. Look at her go.
So, yo, bro, I went to that place that you told me, the food
Oh, you
place.
did?
Bro, fire, dude.
Right? Right?
Fire, bro.
I know. I know.
Dude, there was so many things.
There's some everything you would want, like on a meat place, is there.
It's there, bro. Everything, bro.
Mhm. All kinds of stuff. All kinds of. If you want a ribeye, you get a ribeye. Tomahawk, you want to get tomahawk, get a tomahawk.
Yeah, bro. Everything. I was like, what the fuck, bro? Yeah.
Yeah, it's really, really good.
I did forget to get the eggs, though.
Oh, you forget to get eggs?
Yeah.
Oh, on Aldi?
But yeah, bro, it was great.
Anything you need is there. Meat,
Yeah.
meat whites.
Yeah, bro. They even have like fish and stuff like that.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Any kinds of meats. They have everything. And it's not on the cheap side and it's not on the expensive side. It's in the middle.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not too expensive or anything, so
Yeah, it's in the middle. you able to see the video I sent out?
No, bro, I haven't seen it. I saw it this morning, bro.
Oh, okay, okay. No, no, it's just I wanted to see if you guys could see it.
Oh.
I'm gonna start doing like those little videos just to like give little updates and things like that on
Okay. Yeah.
the
Sure.
group.
Yeah, I can see it. Well, no, bro, I saw it. I saw it this morning. I was fucking knocked out yesterday.
I mean, give a little updates and also give out the secrets, you know, that people are missing out.
All right.
The secret that government gave me.
Say it.
Yeah, you heard?
Yeah, I heard.
People start believing things, bro. No, but it's true though. I mean, I do have some like government secrets that I only share with a few people.
I got you, bro.
Yeah, I can't give everything away, you know. Wonder when Josue is gonna get back. Pretty sure that guy is dying to get in this trading
Boy.
thing. Hmm?
Yeah, bro.
Josue is like the guy that was with us.
Yeah. He gets in the lives with you every day.
Yeah, it's just that he had to go work, so. But
Okay.
when he comes back, he's gonna get in.
He's doing the challenge too, right?
I haven't asked him. I don't know how he's doing or with like working and doing it. I don't know. But yeah, he's doing it.
That's good. How many times did it take you to pass the challenge, bro? The first time you took it?
Man. Let me see. I mean, with FTMO, it didn't take me that long. But I did. I used to. There was another company that I entered with, and it took me like a couple of times, 3 times, 4 times, and then one time I had that account and lost it, so I had to redo it again, you know.
Damn, bro. What happened? Like, how come?
Because I was not the trader I am right now. You get me? Basically, I was still learning. I was still in the learning process, and again, like I'm someone that I literally had to teach myself, like from my mistakes. Like I had to like how they say, like learn a golpe, you know. So like I made a lot of mistakes. Mistakes like the mistakes that I made are the ones that I tell you guys right now not to do. You get me? Because I know they don't
what
work.
happened though? Like you would over leverage or something, or
Not over, like maybe over trade. So maybe I will be at 3 in the morning trading, you know, for no reason. And then I didn't have any routines. I didn't have maybe not a lot of confidence and things like that. So it things that I had to work on, and then I got better at it.
Right. Okay.
Because I knew how to trade. It was just one thing I had to change. That was ya como que like the last thing I had to change, like before becoming not like either way you're still learning every day. You know what I'm saying? Like
Yeah.
you're still learning. You're not perfect, but right now I feel like I'm in another level. You could say, you get me? Like I feel like I could do this, you know, easily now. But before it was like, okay, I had to battle. Like I had to like literally like. But now I learned from those mistakes I made before, and the whole thing was at the end of the day it came down to like my routine, like routine.
Right.
Bro, this thing is just flying down, bro.
I know, bro.
This thing is
Shit.
taking a dip. I guess there's no top wick. This is not gonna make any top wick. Nope. So this is gonna go straight down.
No.
And it's not gonna give any chances to get in either. least we had a trade though.
Yep. For sure.
And look at this, man. Like candles are just opening with any bottom wicks, top wicks, and just going. Like it's not even. Doesn't care. Today, DGBP JPY is being careless today. She does not care. She just going, not looking back. Not looking back at all.
Bro, have you always traded with the 10 lot or?
That's the thing. That before I used to put 20 lots, I used to over leverage maybe, things like that. So, no, I mean I vary. Like sometimes I will put 15 lots, but now it's just I don't need to do that no more. You know what I mean? I've come to realize that you don't need to do that because I've seen that I can make all the profits I won with the same lots. You get me?
Yeah. Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
GBP.
Trust me, bro. Like you can make them. Consistency is the best thing you can have with this. Cause let's say let's say you make $2,000 every day. What are you gonna have at the end of the month?
Right.
So if you can figure it out how to get $2,000 from the market every day, which is only 20 pips, man, that's not that much. It's not that much. If you can figure out how to do that, how much you will have at the end of the month? Imagine that. Obviously you're not gonna make $2,000 every day, but imagine if you could.
Yeah.
So that's my mentality of like, okay, if I could just take this much from the market every single day and be consistent with it, wake up at the same time every day, be consistent, try to look for the same type of trades, things like that, blah, 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 manage my trades, manage my stop loss, blah, 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 then I have a good chance of like making as much money as I want every month.
Yeah. For you. No, I'm just saying because I mean, for me, I feel like a 10 lot is still a lot.
No, well, it's not a lot because that's 1%.
Oh, okay.
So like, remember you're trading with $100,000, so that's
Right.
only 1%. That's not a lot. I mean, it is a lot, but it's like what is considered to be manageable. You get me?
Standard for 100,000.
Standard, yeah. Standard for $100 lots, manageable, that you can manage it, that you could manage your losses and things like that.
Yeah.
So something else, always be 100% alert. Like when you're trading, you have to be like this, right? Ton of focus. Right now it's like a easy, nice day and things like that, but sometimes market is just moving fast as hell, man. And it's mad moving, and you gotta be in tunnel vision, man. You gotta be focused.
Gotcha.
Today, this is an easy day, man. Like this is the days that you want every day, but they don't come every day.
Right.
This is an easy day, like easy. There's nothing more easy than this. Literally came down, created some sort of resistance, boom, broke below, continue. Like literally textbook trades. Like
Yeah.
you can't get wrong with this. I wish I had this type of trades every day. As soon as I woke up and I started seeing this, I'm like, man, today's gonna be an easy day. You know what I mean? I literally saw it and I was like, yeah, it's gonna be an easy day.
Yeah.
Like, doesn't matter what your TP is. I could have closed here, but it was easy. Like I got my money. Where do you make $2,000 here in a day?
No, not even. No.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I that's why I don't get greedy. If I feel like closing and I don't like something, or something doesn't feel right to me, I just close and move on. Sometimes it's good not to get greedy. It's good to like be, not to be greedy.
Yeah. So once you're down about 10 pips, that's when you start thinking about closing.
Yeah, once I'm down 10 pips, I'm already thinking of like, okay, what did I do wrong with this trade?
Right.
Was it maybe it was not a good time to get in? You know what I mean?
I got you. Yeah.
But it
Because
all
10
depends.
pips.
It all depends because sometimes I could be down 5 pips and I still don't think the trade is good. You get me? It all depends on the situation of the trade. For example, here, right? Here in this situation, maybe I enter here, but maybe the candles went here, like, and maybe I was down. Maybe I was down like, look, almost 10 pips. But I would have still been like tranquilito, ¿me entiende? Because I would have been like chill because I know that it's just price action, and eventually we're gonna continue heading down.
Right. Okay.
So it depends on the situation. It all depends on that. When it looks like, vamos a ver qué pasa aquí in this zone. I don't know. I mean, it should have like a nice little pullback, man, like this. I mean, it cannot just go straight down without stopping.
Yeah.
Like, come on, man. I think that's what's gonna do right now.
Got some rejection. Oh, shit.
Yeah, there's a lot of seller's pressure, man. A lot of seller's pressure. Also keep in mind, a new 4 hours is gonna open in 20 minutes, so maybe we are gonna play. Maybe we're gonna play around. Whoa, what? Hold on. Oh shit. No, didn't mean to do that. Didn't mean to do that.
Bro, what broker do you use?
Literally open it. I opened a trade by mistake, bro.
Oh shit, no way.
Bro.
You in profit?
Yeah, I let it go in profit real quick. I'm like, okay, let me get out. Hell no. Hell no, man.
Oh shit, bro. Yeah, so what broker do you use?
It's the FTMO broker. Like they're their own broker.
Oh, they're their own broker. Oh,
Yeah,
gosh.
yeah. So they give you their own, like they're their own shit. So
It's cool.
yeah. And they have really good spreads, man. Let me tell you.
Okay.
The spreads are awesome. Man, this thing is it's not budging, man. What's going on? Like, give us a chance, CJ. Give us a chance.
Bro, do you ever play like the break of the wicks or only the break of the bodies? You know what I'm saying?
It depends on the situation. I mean, the break. Wait, hold on. I'm looking at this, and I'll tell you how. Let me.
Yeah, for sure.
Damn, this thing is not budging, bro. What the hell? Jesus Christ, man. the answer to your question, it doesn't really matter. You get me? It just, if you think this, let's say if you think it's gonna go down, you don't say, oh, let me wait until it breaks the wick. You get me? Like, maybe we could say that as an entry point, but it really doesn't matter. It's not gonna affect it whether it's gonna go down or not. And then,
Right. Oh yeah, that's what I was saying. Like,
yeah, it doesn't really matter, to be honest. You just have to know the momentum of the trade. Like, you have, that's what. Let me tell you, that's what you have to start mastering, the momentum of where we're heading. Like, what kind of, anticipate those things. And you're gonna start, like, it might seem like hard to like think, oh, how can I anticipate what it's gonna do? But trust me, when you start getting, when you start seeing the same thing over and over again and repeat itself, you start anticipating it after, later on in the future. You start knowing, like, okay, I think this is gonna do this, just because you've seen it before. And in history always repeats itself.
اتفضل.
Okay, so it looks like kind of like the whole move is kind of dying down a little bit, just to like set up for another move later on. So that's what we see, like candles start getting smaller. I'm gonna tell you this right now. So it's a really great indication of like momentum and things like that, and like letting you know where we're heading and things like that. Hold on. So, Sandy, you there?
Yeah, I'm here, bro.
So you see how like big candle, smaller candle, and then even smaller candle. So like that's letting you know that like volume is dying down, right?
Right.
So when you start seeing this, and you start seeing how candles are getting smaller, and then you go to the, let's say 5 minute, you see how candles from getting bigger, they start getting smaller. That is telling you know that the volume is dying down, and we might have this, right? Like it's probably coming. And I was anticipating. I was not saying it because this is like more high level stuff that maybe it would have been confusing to you if I would say it. But since it's happening, this happens all the time. Like when you see candles start dying down, you see start selling smaller, and then they come back down, reject, come back down, reject. That means that's telling you that the volume is dying down, and we're probably gonna continue. We're probably gonna do a little bit of a flip, you know.
Okay.
So it's a more of an advanced trade. By the way, I did enter a trade. I did enter some buys because this is something that later in the I don't want you to I don't want you to do this now, right? I don't want you to do this now. I want you to learn this later on. Once you see it more with your eyes, because you have to see this more with your eyes, so that you're confident of what you're doing. You get me? Right now, like I'm confident of it because I've seen it so much. So as soon as I saw this 5 minute close bullish, I know that this move was dying down, and we were having rejections to this zone, right? So as soon as I saw that, I was like, okay, as soon as we start like maybe creating some bottom wick, and then we start breaking and start like having some momentum, I can have a little like nice 14 pip trade, you know what I mean? And that's what happened here. So I now added to the trade that I had before. You get me? So now in total I've gained in total like 35 pips now. But that's how you, when you start getting more advanced, you start doing it. You don't worry about not catching a trade before, because you know there's gonna be other stuff coming out. You get me?
Okay.
So that's why I was just chilling, because I knew like, okay, damn, whatever. I missed the whole move down because of a certain thing that I saw. If I haven't seen that thing, I would have been okay, whatever. But of a certain thing that I saw, I got out. But then I was kind of like saying, okay, maybe something else that I like in the future is gonna show up, like this instance. I closed everything already though, because it's those type of trades that you just gotta like get something that market gives you real quick and get out of it. You get me? So we might keep going up, we don't know, but I just secure my profits. I got my profits, I put it in my pocket, to have a good day and things like that. Right now, I don't even have to worry about. Right now, estoy satisfied basically. Right now, if something happens, it doesn't happen, I don't care. If I see something that I really like in the future, I'm gonna be like, okay, let's see, let me enter. But right now, I'm like, whatever happens.
It's chilling.
Chilling, exactly.
Yeah, that makes sense, bro. That makes sense. Yeah. Of course.
But yeah, remember this. Every time you start seeing that, candles start dying down, getting smaller and things like that. Like the bodies are getting smaller and things like that.
Right.
Like you know that, like, okay, we're probably, if we're going down, we're probably okay. We're probably gonna have some sort of a little pullback. I'm not saying it's gonna keep going up. I'm just saying we're gonna have some sort of little pullback, and then continue maybe later on.
Okay.
Yo, have you been to Puerto Rico?
The what, bro?
Have you been to Puerto Rico?
No, I haven't. Why?
Oh no, just asking.
Oh.
See if you had any recommendations of places and things like that. I'm going now in August.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, and looking for.
Oh, damn, bro. No, I haven't been, bro.
I already have an itinerary, but I'm like looking to add new things and things like that to it.
Yeah, for sure. How long are you going for?
I'm going for a whole week.
Oh, shit. For a
But
week.
but I'm still trading though. I'm
You,
taking.
you trading over there?
Hell yeah, man. If I have internet, I can trade.
Yeah.
So, but I'll try to I won't connect to YouTube, but in the mornings, I'm gonna connect with you guys on Zoom.
Yeah, for sure,
So
bro.
I'm gonna connect with you guys on Zoom while I'm trading. You know, give you guys some trading ideas, whatever you guys questions want to answer and things want to ask and things like that.
Okay.
So yeah. By the way, I remember your question you asked me. I think you had a question for me. I think you sent a text. We'll get over that. I'm in the stream soon. And we'll go over those things, okay?
Okay, I actually gotta go like now though, bro. So
Oh, you gotta go now?
yeah, I gotta go now. I gotta be a little early today.
Okay, that's
But
fine.
it's
That's fine.
fine. Yeah, we can talk about it. You
Yeah,
know.
let's leave it for again. Let's do like a maybe tonight we could do a little rundown, okay?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, whenever
Okay.
whenever you have time, that's
Yeah,
fine,
yeah.
bro.
I'll let you know. I'll text you. Yo, let's get out real quick. Do like a little 15 minute, 10 minute, and then go.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
All right.
Alright, bro, dale, let me know, bro.
Dale, man.
Hablamos, papi. Dale.
Dale. Well, guys, another good day. Another good day. It was an easy day on the charts. I mean, I explained the trade, why I got in, things like that. Essentially, I just followed the momentum. You know, easy as that, right? It was an easy trade, follow the momentum. I saw that candles moved down during London session. A huge set as momentum. And then I was just expecting for the same thing to move on to New York session. So when we were here creating this some sort of pullback, right? The same thing we've seen in the past in other trades I have taken here in the chat in the channel. Wait for the pullback, create as resistance, and then wait for either the break or get in when we start closing bearish again, right? To continue the same momentum down and the same pressure to the downside. So yeah, I mean, you gotta make it as easy as possible for yourself, and then you will be rewarded. Other than that, guys, again, thank you for watching. If you're here, I appreciate it. Please, if you guys can, please hit the like button. Subscribe. Also, turn on the little bell thing so you guys could see me every time I get on and get some education, get some another view of a stream of income. If that's something you guys are interested on, please let me know. I am available. I'm dedicating 100% to this, and yeah, and then thank you again, and also have a good rest of your day, and peace out, guys.